If you're considering Nomad eSIM for international travel, there are some key things you need to know to make sure it's the right fit. And by the end of this video, you'll know if there's a better option for your needs. First, Nomad offers flexible plans covering multiple countries, which makes it convenient for travelers. However, it may not be the most cost-effective option compared to competitors like Airalo or Holafly, depending on your destination. Next, the app is user-friendly, but some users report issues with plan activation or eSIM setup. If you're not tech-savvy, you might run into trouble during the installation process. On the bright side, Nomad's customer support is fairly responsive via email and live chat. Third, the coverage is decent in most regions, but it depends heavily on local carrier partnerships. In remote areas or less common travel destinations, connectivity may not be as strong as competitors like Airalo, which partners with a wider range of networks. The fourth thing to know is that Nomad's data-only plans don't include traditional calling or texting. While you can use apps like WhatsApp or Skype for communication, this might be a deal breaker if you need a local number for business or bookings. Another consideration is the pricing structure. Nomad plans tend to cost more per gigabyte compared to Airalo, especially for long-term use. If you're traveling for a month or more, you might find better value elsewhere. Sixth, Nomad doesn't require you to switch SIM cards, making it convenient for frequent travelers. However, like most eSIM services, you'll need an eSIM-compatible device. Double-check if your phone supports it before purchasing. Next thing, some users have mentioned occasional issues with speed, particularly during peak hours or in densely populated areas. While speeds are generally good, they might not match the consistency offered by competitors in certain regions. Eighth, Nomad frequently runs promotions, which can make it more affordable if you catch a deal. That said, even with discounts, it's worth comparing with competitors that consistently offer lower rates. Another key point is that Nomad eSIMs work best for data-focused travelers. If you're heavily reliant on GPS, social media, or browsing, it does the job well. But for those who need a balanced mix of data and local calling, it may not be ideal. The 10th thing to note is that refunds aren't guaranteed if you face issues after activation. Some users report struggles with getting their money back, so make sure to read the refund policy carefully. Next, Nomad's app also includes features like usage tracking, which can help you monitor your data. However, it doesn't offer advanced tools like hotspot sharing limits, which some competitors provide. Finally, Nomad is a solid option for international travel, but it's not perfect. If you're looking for a better solution that combines affordability, reliability, and user-friendly features, check out our recommended option, one you can try for free today.